Today for you to introduce a smart weather station link steps through the application mall to download Hunger app. After the download, to create an account, you can register by mailbox. Enter the correct mailbox number. Verification code will be automatically sent to your mailbox. Follow the steps to complete the registration. Will be able to use the app to bind the equipment. Click plus on the home page to select the display hub to be added. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and enter the password. The device can only match with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the hub for 5 seconds until scan is displayed, waiting for app to automatically pair and add the found devices. When your Wi-Fi connection fails, you can try the AP distribution method to connect. You can click Switch AP mode on the app connection page to switch the device to scanning AP mode. The device will automatically generate a network. Connect your phone to the device's WLAN network and wait for the device to automatically pair to add the Install 014 sensors, then pass the app to add the gateway, real-time detection of outdoor temperature and humidity. Congratulations on completing all the above steps. You can enjoy the convenience brought to you by the intelligent weather station.